Number 1. What directive has the Finance Ministry given to banks and insurance companies regarding public grievances? Correct answer B. Expedite grievance resolution. Explanation: the Finance Ministry urged banks and insurance companies to expedite public grievance resolution. Senior officers were directed to review at least 20 cases monthly to monitor resolution quality. Number 2. Which microfinance company has applied for a small finance bank license? Correct answer C. VFS Capital. Explanation: VFS Capital, an old microfinance company, reapplied for a small finance bank license after being rejected in 2015. Number 3. How much was the GST collection in December 2024? Correct answer C. 1.77 lakh crore rupees. Explanation: the GST collection in December 2024 rose 7.3% year-on-year to 1,77,000 crore rupees, reflecting steady economic activity. Number 4. Which apps benefited from NPCI's extension of the UPI market cap deadline? Correct answer B. PhonePe and Google Pay. Explanation: NPCI extended the deadline for implementing a 30% volume cap on third-party UPI apps like PhonePe and Google Pay until December 2026, providing relief to these major players. Number 5. Which Indian bank launched its AI-powered virtual assistant AVA 2.0 in December 2024? Correct answer B. ICICI Bank. Explanation: ICICI Bank launched AVA 2.0, an advanced AI-powered virtual assistant designed to provide personalized banking services to customers and resolve queries instantly. Number 6. What is the revised GST revenue target set by the government for fiscal year 2025? Correct answer C. 16 lakh crore rupees. Explanation: the government revised the GST revenue target for FY25 to 16 lakh crore rupees, reflecting higher economic growth and compliance. Number 7. Which of the following sectors saw the highest loan growth in FY24? Correct answer C. Agriculture. Explanation: the agriculture sector recorded the highest loan growth in fiscal year 2024, driven by increased credit demand from rural areas and farm-related businesses. Number 8. Which country's central bank raised its key policy rate to 5.25% in January 2025? Correct answer D. Canada. Explanation: the Bank of Canada raised its key policy rate to 5.25% in January 2025, aiming to combat persistent inflationary pressures. Number 9. Which Indian bank recently surpassed a market capitalization of 6 lakh crore rupees? Correct answer A. HDFC Bank. Explanation: HDFC Bank's market capitalization crossed 6 lakh crore rupees, making it the most valuable private sector bank in India. Number 10. Which company became India's largest exporter in December 2024, overtaking Reliance Industries? Correct answer A. Tata Consultancy Services. Explanation: Tata Consultancy Services emerged as India's largest exporter due to its robust IT services exports, surpassing Reliance Industries in December 2024. Number 11. Which of the following Indian companies recently secured the largest ever EV battery manufacturing contract? Correct answer A. Ola Electric. Explanation: Ola Electric secured the largest ever EV battery manufacturing contract to bolster its EV ecosystem and meet growing demand. Number 12. Which Indian state topped the Export Preparedness Index 2024? Correct answer A. Gujarat. Explanation: Gujarat retained its top position in the Export Preparedness Index thanks to its strong industrial base and infrastructure. Number 13. Which country became India's largest trading partner in 2024? Correct answer as A. United States. Explanation: the United States surpassed China to become India's largest trading partner in 2024, driven by growing exports and strategic economic ties. Number 14. Which Indian state recently became the first to achieve 100% literacy? Correct answer D. Tripura. Explanation: Tripura achieved 100% literacy in 2024 through innovative education initiatives and strong governmental support. Number 15. Which Indian city was ranked as the most livable city in India in the 2024 Global Livability Index? Correct answer A. Bangalore. Explanation: Bangalore topped the list due to its excellent infrastructure, IT hubs, and quality of life. Number 16. Which bank recently became the first to issue a green fixed deposit in India? Correct answer C. Axis Bank. Explanation: Axis Bank launched India's first green fixed deposit to promote environmentally friendly investments. Number 17. Which Indian airport was recently ranked as the world's busiest in passenger traffic 2024? Correct answer A. Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Explanation: Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport became the world's busiest airport in passenger traffic for 2024. Number 18. Which Indian state recently announced free electricity for households consuming up to 200 units per month? Correct answer B. Punjab. Explanation: The Punjab government launched a scheme to provide free electricity for households consuming up to 200 units per month. Number 19. What is the name of India's latest semiconductor fabrication plant launched in 2024? Correct answer A. Bharat Fab. Explanation: Bharat Fab was established in 2024 as India's state-of-the-art semiconductor fabrication facility to boost self-reliance in electronics. Number 20. What was India's rank in the Global Innovation Index, GII 2024? Correct answer B. 39. Explanation: India climbed to the 39th position in the GII, reflecting its improvements in digital infrastructure, R&D, and startup ecosystem. Number 21. Which Indian cricketer broke the record for the fastest 10,000 runs in ODIs in 2024? Correct answer A. Shubman Gill. Explanation: Shubman Gill became the fastest to score 10,000 ODI runs in 2024, surpassing previous records with his remarkable consistency. Number 22. Which tech company reached a market capitalization of $4 trillion in 2024, the first in history? Correct answer A. Apple. Explanation: Apple became the first company to reach a $4 trillion market cap due to strong demand for its products and innovative technologies. Number 23. Till when has the government extended the crop insurance schemes? Correct answer C. 2025 to 26. Explanation: The extension ensures continued protection for farmers from climate-related risks and crop losses. Number 24. What sector is likely to benefit most from enhanced bilateral cooperation between India and Qatar? Correct answer A. Energy and natural gas. Explanation: Qatar is a significant supplier of natural gas to India, and strengthened ties are expected to boost energy trade. Number 25. The Viksit Bharat Vision 2047 aims to achieve which key milestone for India? Correct answer D. Transforming India into a developed nation. Explanation: The Viksit Bharat Vision 2047 focuses on making India a developed nation by 2047, marking the centenary of its independence. Thank you. Your time and support mean everything to us. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more great content. Together, we can keep learning and growing. Thanks for being part of this journey.